Welcome back to CodeZynox. The world is evolving faster than ever, and these 5 technologies are about to rewrite how we live, work, and think. If you miss them, you'll miss the future. AI is no longer just a buzzword. It's the backbone of automation, creativity, and decision-making. From medical diagnosis to movie scripts, AI is now as important as electricity once was. And we're just scratching the surface with generative models like GPT-5, DeepSeek, and Sora. Blockchain isn't just about Bitcoin. It's about trust without middlemen. Decentralized finance, supply chain transparency, and even decentralized identity could make the web fairer and more secure. As our world goes digital, hackers evolve. Cybersecurity is leveling up with AI-powered threat detection and quantum-safe encryption to defend data from even the most advanced cyber attacks. Quantum computers like Google's Willow and IBM's Condor will solve problems so complex that even supercomputers give up. From drug discovery to climate modeling, quantum computing is about to open locked doors humanity has never entered. From limitless clean energy to colonizing Mars, renewable and space tech will determine our survival as a species. Think solar panels that last 50 years or space stations that manufacture in zero gravity. These 5 technologies aren't just tools, they're the pillars of tomorrow. The question is, will you be a consumer of the future or a creator of it? If you want to stay ahead, hit that subscribe, drop your thoughts in the comments, and share this video with someone who needs to see the future.